Hello guys, it's me, Teacher Tania, and for this mathematics class we are going to talk about two different topics, very easy. It's permutation problems and then division problems. But anyway, I'm going to ask you to please pay attention to each explanation of the exercises so you don't have any trouble. So let's begin. The combinatorial analysis studies the different combinations or choices we can make with the elements of a group. It allows us to solve many practical problems. Combinatorial analysis problems have operations or activities which are constantly repeated. In these cases, it's useful to know certain counting techniques to make the corresponding calculation. This time, we are learning the multiplication technique. If there are m ways of doing something and there are n ways of doing something else, there are m times n ways of doing both things. If we apply the multiplication technique, we do the calculation easier. Okay, so let's read the first problem so we can see if we understand. The problem says, a car salesman wants to show his customers the different car options he has. Convertible car, two-door car, and four-door car. Any of them with chrome or standard rims. How many different cars and rims combinations can the salesman offer? So, based on the formula that m times n equals to the total of options, we determine as m the car options, 3 car options, so m equals 3. And n represents the rims options, which are 2, chrome and standard, 2 options. So m times n equals to 3 times 2, 6 combinations. That is my result, 6 combinations. So you have to repeat the same procedure with each problem. Determine how many options from a group you have and how many options of a different group and multiply the numbers. Now let's solve together the first problem of the exercises I sent you for homework. The first problem is, someone wants to make a team formed by 2 people, chosen from a group of 3. How many possible arrangements? Okay, so the first quantity is 2 people. My team needs to be made by 2 people. And I have to choose from a group of 3. This is my second group of options, 3. 2 times 3 equals 6. It is very easy. You just have to identify the groups of options you have and multiply the quantities. So this is how it appears on the document. The problem and a small line where you have to write your answer. What you have to do is to write the operation and the result, just like this, with no spaces in between. 2 times 3 equals 6. And then you have to check the questions. 6 what? How many possible arrangements? So my answer is 6 possible arrangements. And that's how you have to send the answer. Please write the answer for the first problem just like this. And for the next problems too. Operation, result, and complete answer. I hope this is clear for you. Divisions problems is a very easy topic, but anyway, let's analyze the problem on the example so you can solve the other problems by yourselves. The problem says, I decide to buy my friends some tickets to see a film. They cost 45 pesos each. My mom decides she wants to see the film too. Adult tickets are 65 pesos. I have 480 pesos. How many friends can I buy tickets for? And how much money will I have left? Okay, first of all, I decided to separate the data, all the quantities information, so I can visualize exactly what am I going to do to answer the questions. The first data is the cost of the ticket. Each ticket costs 45 pesos. The adult ticket costs 65 pesos. I need this information because my mom wants to go. And the money I have, 480 pesos. Then the operations. Here, obviously, since the topic is division problems, I need to make a division. But first, analyze what else do you have to do. In this case, a subtraction. I have in total 480 pesos, but my mom wants to go, so I have to subtract the cost of the adult ticket, which is 65 pesos. After the subtraction, I have 450 pesos left to buy tickets for my friends. Now I make a division, dividing the money I have by the cost of each ticket. 450 divided by 45. It equals 9, but it is not an exact division. I have a remainder, which is 10. It means that I have 10 pesos left. I cannot buy another ticket with 10 pesos, so I can only buy 9. This is how I answer my two questions. The first one, how many friends can I buy tickets for? For 9 friends. And the second question, how much money will I have left? I will have 10 pesos left. As I said before, you have to check on the questions so you can realize how to answer completely. How many friends? 9 friends. How much money will I have left? 10 pesos left. And that's it. Please answer each problem, explaining the operations and giving me the result for each question. Complete answer, please. That's all the information I think that you need to know in order to solve the exercises. But remember that if you have any question, you can send me a message and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. So see you for the next class. Bye-bye.